Hi, good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Prashant Verma Garu and Krish Garu, for being here and gracing this whole evening. And where do I start? I remember the first day when Sidhu and Aditya called me for narrating this role. Kamal, you're not going anywhere. Come here. Okay, fine. I was just kidding. Oh. So I still remember the first day when he was like, I can see Meghna only in you. I was like, why me? No, I saw you from a very long time and somewhere you will do a proper justice on Jappi Annaru. I was a little like skeptical, will I pull it off or no and Cheppesi, but then the way they treated the character, the narration and the narrative of the story also was so intriguing that I couldn't say no, first thing. And I'm very happy that I've played Meghna for Maavinta Gatha Vinuma. And secondly, I know Sidhu from almost 10 years. Like we worked together in Orange. And I'm very proud where he is today because the way he graphed his whole journey in the industry, it's not easy. Like being behind the camera, being part of every department, and gracefully actually, coming up with very successful projects right from Guntur Talkies to Kalki to Krishna and his Leela and now Maavinta Gatha Vinuma. I would say his career is starting off now because luckily Sidhu, men gracefully they age, unlike women. So your time is starting right now is what I believe. So I just wish you all the very, best to everything that you do. And try to write more as well, because I know you will do wonders for yourself. And coming to Adi, our director, I never felt he is a director. Like how Sidhu is known as Sidhu Boy, I call Adi as Adi Boy. It's more like a family. And you were very like calm, peaceful, and you were always sustaining that peace between whatever was happening during the chaos we were going through at times. And but we are proudly here today, really heading our head high. Of course, this is a film that had to be coming in the big screen, big theaters, but some things happen for a reason, and I think this was the reason, which we should accept it. And I'm happy that AHA has come up, taking up a lot of good films on digital media, and somewhere our movies also correlated the digital media concept, and how the youth today takes that impulsive decisions and how it actually changes each and every person's life here and there is what the whole story revolves. And coming to the music, I think Sri Charan and Joy and Rohit have done an amazing job because ilanti oka family entertainer with the youth touch, ki oka Carnatic music flavor ivvadam, it adds a lot of class is what I believe, and they did a great justification. So thank you for that. And there's one more couple in our sets, that is Ravi Anthony and Sai. These both are Ravi, the production designer, and Sai, our DOP, because of whom we all look so beautiful. The frames look so beautiful. And without them, I think we all would just be like normal other people. So thanks to Sai and Ravi also for doing an amazing job. I don't know who is sitting. And Maunima, I know you're here somewhere. We had a great time too. Seerath is not here, but I loved working with Seerath. She had an amazing presence around. Especially, she's very peaceful, very focused all the time, very positive person. It's hard to find people who are continuously focused on sets. Cut chappin tarvate tan mind, tan mood change ayedi, which is very rare we find in actors. And yeah, this is what I would want to tell. I'm very happy to be part of this with all amazing people around. And all credits to all the producers also, because they have trusted this bunch of young, enthusiastic and impulsive people around. They stood by them, and today we are here. So thanks to Anil Garu, Sanjay Garu, and Rajshekhar Garu, and did I miss someone? Sorry, okay. Yeah, thanks to everyone. I really wish this movie does good for each and everyone around. Thank you.
Hi, this is Trisha. I'm Radhika Apte.
Vasan Krishnamurthy.
నేను ఆలీ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
You're watching E3 Media Network.
E3 Media Network.
E3 మీడియా నెట్వర్క్.
E3 Media Network. E3 means
Entertainment.
entertainment.